Hello, my name is Sandra Arguello, and I want to go over how to submit an assignment, where to find all of the class material, and a little bit more about the class content. This is the school webpage, and if you go to teacher web pages, you can scroll down to find my name, Sandra Arguello. So within this site, if you scroll just a little bit further down, you'll notice that I have codes, and these codes are for Google Classroom. So all of the work is within a Google Classroom website. So pertaining to each individual period is listed the code underneath it. So you're going to copy the code, go to the Google Classroom page, click on the plus, and then join the class and drop in the code. So once you've joined one of the classes, depending on the class period, one of these different squares will appear. Then you're going to select the period that you're in. It will take you to a page that looks like this, and this first page is called the stream. And on the stream it will announce whether the day is going to be a synchronous day where we meet together live, or if it will be an asynchronous day where I encourage the students to take a look at this list and follow through with the steps. Number one being to take attendance on Infinite Campus, marking here. Every day students need to take their own attendance for every period. Then go to classwork to see what the daily assignment is. And they can also ask me for help. My email is listed here, but actually I would prefer if they would meet with me on the Google Meet, which is where they can talk to me one-on-one. They can click on their microphone and unmute it, and then call out, and I will work with them step by step on any issue that they have. When you go to classwork, the assignments are set up by week, and it will show in a darker color the ones that have been posted for the day. So on any particular day, they're going to click on the date as it goes. They'll click on the date, they'll read the instructions, and they'll follow along with the instructions and submit any work that's required for that particular day. As far as them being able to see their grades, they are available to view their grades on Google Classroom. That will be the most up-to-date grade. To view the grades, I've posted a resource at the bottom of the classwork section. So under resources, this is how you would view your grades. You go to the word classwork and you click on the icon that says view your work. And what will happen is a list will be generated with all the assignments and all of the grades on the right-hand side. Anything with the 0, I do allow for students to resubmit for a higher grade. But this class is very particular with different documents and what needs to be submitted, and I do allow for students to resubmit work to receive that higher grade. As far as the course material, if you go back to look at the school website, you can look at the classroom pages. For Introduction to Engineering, the material that will be covered will be the following. Mostly it will be the design process, problem solving, teamwork, 3D printing. The course is A through G. It is for 9th through 12th graders that are in Algebra 1 or higher, and they can receive college credit. So the class works on creating projects to solve solutions, and we work with UCR Mesa. UCR Mesa is a program to help students become more engaged in STEM fields, and they provide with us design challenges. So for example, we have created mousetrap cars and balsa wood bridges, and we compete them with other schools. So students can compete and get recognized for their achievements. Some do get prizes, so they were giving out prizes here. And we will be invited this year to participate in a virtual field trip where there will be breakout rooms. They will be recorded, and students can go back to revisit them at a later time. The students develop skills to be able to use the 3D printers to print out their CAD drawings. And this is very technical. This year we're going to be working with Onshape, which is a web-based program, and also working with Solid Professor, which the district has purchased these tutorial videos that students can work side by side with Onshape to be able to finish and create their drawings. So these are very technical drawings that later on they can also create different types of images that typically you would see engineers develop when they're creating their project ideas and designs. This is just a general overview of the class. Our class does articulate with RCC. We also work with RCC for articulation purposes, which means that once they complete the course, if they can complete it with a B or better and get a 7 on the final exam, they can receive college credit. They would apply to RCC, which is completely free for them, and they would also apply to CATMA, which is the middleman for the community college and the high school to partner together to then update the transcript. So all these programs are free. The information is here. If you have other questions that you would like to ask me, I definitely encourage you to email me, or also visit me on the class Google video. It's best if you do have questions for parents to visit me at the end of school. I stay logged in until 4 o'clock, and I'm here on campus just to make sure that all the machines are in good working condition when we return. So feel free to email me, you can call, and you can also join the video chat. But if you do join the video chat, it would be best to do it at the end of the school day so that the class sessions are not being interrupted, and that way we could talk more privately about your student. And I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. I hope to meet you very soon.